remember where I first learned about this, but this is the top of a sort of natural edged burl box that I'm making. Now the difficulty is I want to hollow this inside part out, but I can't really do that. I can't attach anything this side. I can't put a tenon on because I want to keep that very much as it looks now. I don't know where I first saw this, so I'm not going to certainly take credit for it myself. So this had to rechuck this without doing any damage to the lid. Find a bowl, see it's still got a tenon on the bottom. This is what I'm working on. Something about the same size, and then you just start chocking it into place with some shims. I'm not trying to lock it down at the moment. Chances are these shims are coming out again. All I'm trying to do is get it nice and level, and then I'm going to hot glue it into the bowl, and then I could be able to then attach from the back. Anyway, I'll leave you out of the shimming process, but the idea is obviously to get this as flat as possible with the bowl it's being glued into, so they're as planar as possible. Okay, that looks pretty close. So what I'm going to do now is just going to put some little blobs, carefully hot glue around the edge. Now the trick here is obviously to be able to get the two bowls separate after the process. So not trying to put tons down. Give that a second or two to dry out and see what happens. We might need to top that up. See how it's sitting. No, it's moved. Fortunately, if I've got the hot glue in there, you're not going to work. Okay, so it was about this point I think I realised it wasn't going to work the way I wanted to. I could probably persisted with the wedges, but I wanted to be a bit quicker, so I thought I'd give this clamp a try. Yeah, that got me much more what I wanted. Got it in place, and I was able to glue as previously planned. So I managed to hot glue it in. I've kept the glue sort of in splodges and near the edge of the bowl. I don't want it running down underneath the blank. I'll never get the damn thing apart again. So basically I can now remount that, and away we go. So how to turn something when you can't get a grip on it. It's a good little idea. So to get the worst of the glue off, I just used a hot air gun, which sort of just got it soft again, and I was able to pick it off the surface fairly easily. Just using a bit of isopropyl, I can pronounce it, isopropanol, basically, yeah, alcohol, just to help break the material up again. I didn't want to turn this bowl, it wasn't just made as a clamp, so I'll keep working at that off camera and I'll show you how I get on. And there you have it, bowl and piece, which this will be a bowl. Completely cleared. Found a bit of scissor to pick it up. All that glue, and that's ready to finish. Yeah, turn that out at some point as well. So there you go. Fairly successful operation. How to turn something when you can't attach to the back of it. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next video.